Have you ever played car racing games not to win or complete missions, but to simply relax, clear your mind, and enjoy driving through breathtaking virtual landscapes? Now imagine turning this relaxing hobby into a consistent source of income. Sounds exciting, right? Let me introduce you to a YouTube channel that does exactly that. The creator records casual gameplay from car racing games, pairs it with soothing or emotional music, and uploads the videos. This unique approach generates an impressive $4,000 monthly through the YouTube Partner Program. What makes this strategy brilliant is its dual purpose. It's not just gaming content, it's relaxation content. The blend of smooth gameplay and calming music creates a new category of entertainment that audiences love to watch for hours, making it easier to meet the required watch hours for monetization. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to replicate this process, from creating stunning driving visuals to composing your own music with free AI tools. Stick around until the end, as every step is essential. But wait, at this point, if you're enjoying this video, probably subscribe to this channel and leave a like. Moving on to step 1 is to create an image prompt to design car visuals. But don't worry, I've already done the heavy lifting for you by preparing a Google Doc filled with detailed, ready-to-use prompts. This Google Doc is designed to save you time and give you a solid starting point for generating stunning car images. You can find the link to the Google Doc in the description of this video. Open the Google Doc and simply copy the prompt. Then head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt into ChatGPT, hit enter, and let ChatGPT work its magic. It will generate a detailed AI-optimized image prompt tailored to create visuals of your car, including both the interior and exterior. Our next step is generating images with ideogram. Open your browser and search for ideogram. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon below, and you'll be taken to the creation screen. Before we dive into generating images, adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. This format works best for YouTube videos. Now switch back to ChatGPT and copy the interior prompt we generated earlier. Return to ideogram and paste the interior prompt into the prompt box. Then, click Generate. This is where the AI works its magic. In just a few moments, you'll see a collection of beautifully designed interior images appear on the screen. Take your time to scroll through the results, choose the one that aligns best with your vision, and download your selected image to your device. Next, we'll generate the exterior images. Repeat the process by switching back to ChatGPT and copying the exterior prompt. Head back to ideogram, paste the prompt into the box, and hit generate. Again, just like before, ideogram will create a series of amazing exterior visuals. Browse through these images, pick the one you like the most, and download it to your device. The next step is transforming the static car images we generated into stunning animated videos. For this, we'll be using Hailuo AI. Open your browser and search for Hailuo AI video. Once you're on the site, create an account if you don't already have one. After logging in, click on the creation icon and then select the image to video option. Now upload the first image you want to animate. Before we proceed with the animation, we need a specific text prompt to bring the image to life. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the animation prompt. Then, switch to ChatGPT, paste the animation prompt, and hit enter. ChatGPT will provide detailed prompts for animating both the interior and exterior of your car. Copy the first animation prompt, return to Huo AI, and paste it into the text box. Then, hit generate, and the AI will begin animating your image. This process might take a few moments, but be patient. The results will be worth the wait. One of the standout features of Huo AI is its ability to queue up to 3 animations at once, so you can streamline your workflow and save time. Once the first animation is complete, preview it to see how it turned out. If you're happy with the results, download the video directly to your device. Repeat the process for the other image, preview it, and download the video just like before. Now that our video is ready, it's time to create custom music. For this, we'll be using Suno. Open your browser and search for Suno. Once you're on the website, create an account if you don't already have one. After logging in, click on the creation icon and you'll be presented with Suno's creation interface. We'll need lyrics for our music, so head to the Google Doc and copy the music prompt provided. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT and let the AI generate the perfect lyrics for a calm and relaxing soundtrack that complements your video. ChatGPT will provide you with beautifully crafted lyrics. Just copy them, then head back to Suno and paste the lyrics into the lyrics box. For the style of music, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest a suitable style of music. Copy the suggested style and paste it into the appropriate field in Suno. Finally, give your music a title, then click Create, and Suno will get to work generating your custom track. The process only takes a few moments, and the best part is that Suno will generate 2 unique music tracks based on your lyrics and style. Listen to the results and download the one you prefer to your device. The final step is to bring everything together with editing. For this, we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut, click on New Project, and import the videos we generated earlier. Once your videos are loaded, set the aspect ratio to match the platform where you plan to upload your video. Drag the clips onto the timeline. Next, clean up the clips by removing any logos or watermarks. Simply click on the clip with the logo, then stretch it slightly until the logo is no longer visible. Do this for the other clip too. Once that's done, rearrange your clips. Move the exterior clip to the front. For the interior clips, duplicate them as many times as needed to extend the duration of your video, depending on your desired length. Now let's add transitions to our video. Click on Overlay, choose a transition style you want, then apply to all clips for consistency. Next, import the custom music track we created earlier using Suno, ensuring it syncs perfectly with the flow of your video. Watch your entire video from start to finish to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. If you're satisfied, click on Export, increase the video resolution to 4K, and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at the final result.
The road unwinds like a gentle stream, and beneath the stars I drift and dream. The hum of the wheels, a calming refrain, washing away the weight of the day's pain. With every turn I find my place, a quiet moment.
I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future money-making tips. Let me know in the comments which of these websites you're most excited to try, and if you've already had success with any of them, I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.